Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UpBase's calendar feature. It's your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, open your UpBase app and click on the calendar icon on the home screen. This is where you'll organize and view all your upcoming events. The calendar view gives you a holistic perspective of your schedule. Now that we've done that, let's create a new event. Click the plus icon on the bottom right corner. This helps us because it's a quick and easy way to add new events or meetings to your calendar. Next, fill in the event details like title, date, time, and location. Don't forget to add any important notes. The reason we do this is to ensure you have all the information you need at a glance, saving you valuable time later. Once you've filled in the details, hit the Save button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UpBase is saving and syncing the event across all your devices. And if it's a meeting, it's sending out invitations to the participants as well. Now let me explain why this matters. The UpBase calendar feature is not just about keeping track of your schedule. It's also about improving your productivity by helping you manage your time more efficiently. Next up, let's check out the different views. You can switch between day, week, month, and list view according to your preference. This helps us because it provides flexibility and allows you to view your schedule in the way that best suits your needs. And that's it. You're now well-versed in using the UpBase calendar feature. Remember, the more you use it, the more organized and productive you'll become. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.